I'm Tony Hubner. I'm here at Berneil 2.0. As you can see behind me, we are in our third phase of walls, pouring them. We have one more phase of basement walls to go, and then the elevator, and then we will start working on pouring the concrete floor. There is behind me over here a theater room with a depressed floor for the seating. After we complete that, we'll brace the walls. We'll continue with the outside waterproofing and backfill and drainage. See you next time.